If you didn't know that this was the Jack, as prestigious as it is, you would look at it and just think, just a regular contest. The power's not great here. There's no water. You know, I'm running off my generator on my trailer. You know, if it wasn't for this being the Jack, I mean, that's a tough call to make to come back, you know, but because it's the Jack, you have to do it. Pig and whiskey.
What's up, Smokin Hoggz?
What's up?
What's up, brother?
How you doing?
Loving life.
How are you, man?
How are you?
Good, good.
Yeah, how about those socks?
Oh, man.
Yeah?
I tell you, it's going to be special. They're going to win tonight. They're going to win tomorrow. So tomorrow's my birthday. So
Oh my God.
they're going to win on my birthday, and we're going to win the Jack. It's going to be an epic night. You know, barbecue in Massachusetts is a fairly new thing, I think. It's very competitive. There's a lot of good teams up in the Northeast. At least 8 of them here at the Jack this year. Every one of these teams is a grand champion, and you know, they're here because of that. My wife is a big help with this. She keeps me organized. Don't have too much to drink, kind of just make sure that I keep a level head. We got married in 2012. I proposed in 2010. This is before we had won any grand championships or anything like that. She's like, I want to have a fall wedding. I said, well, what happens if we make it to the Jack? And she's like, you're not going to make it to the Jack. There's no way you're going to make it to the Jack. I'm like, for you, yeah, okay. I'll postpone it until the following spring. Sure enough, 2011, go to our second contest of the season, won our first grand championship. We went on to win 2 more, so we won 3 in a row. The third one got us the invite to the Jack. And came to the Jack, and we ended up winning 2011. So, yeah. Yeah, just because I put a ring on it. She likes to say that. Pretty happy with these. These are well marbled. They're gonna be delicious, I hope. When I first started in barbecue, I was making my own rubs, and that's where this rub came from. It was my all-purpose rubs that I used on everything, my ribs, my pork, my chicken. We'd pass it out to friends, and they would try it, and oh wow, how can we get more, you know? And I'd be in the kitchen just making up batch after batch and bottling it ourselves, and couldn't get enough of it, and now they can get it whenever they want, you know? It's just pretty cool. I always want to win. I'm competitive by nature. You learn how to lose, you know. That's what drives you. But you want to make it fun. Getting together with friends, family, having a good time, learning about competition barbecue, honing your craft, practicing every weekend, basically practicing until you can't get it wrong. I think we're all a little crazy for doing this, and I think that's the one common thing we share is the love of cooking food over fire.